Today, I will be talking about the 5 simple and quick steps to start a new business. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Kenneth Boardman. I have started many businesses in the last 20 years. I am currently the president and founder of Clean Master. Our main product is glove sponge. This product can be used to clean tubs, sink, dishes, and many more. It's a multi-purpose product. And let me start with number 1 of the 5 simple and quick steps to start a new business. Number 1, you need to identify the kind of business you want to start. Very important. It could be service business, which means you might be providing services such as accounting, bookkeeping, consulting, or it could be selling a product. That product could be as well a laptop, it could be furniture, it could be so many different items. So you need to make sure you identify the products or services you're going to offer to people. The second thing you need to do is to identify your potential customers. And what that means, you need to find out your target market, the set of people that you're going to be selling these products to. Very important, because you need to find a niche. Not all products can be sold to everybody. So you need to make sure you identify your target market. Thirdly, you need to find a good, attractive businessman that will correspond to the business you're trying to start. And after identifying the name, of course, you have to register that name. The good news, that's one of the things I like about the United States of America. It doesn't cost much to register a business name. You can go to the county and register a business name. In some of the counties, it could cost $25, $30, or $40, depending on the county. Then the fourth one, very important, you have to create a business plan. Sometimes people ask me, why do you have to create a business plan? It's very important. Some people have started business or businesses without creating a business plan, but I will advise anyone who wants to start a business to have a business plan. In that business plan, the good news about creating a business plan, that will also help you to do more research and know more about your market and the people, potential customers. All of this stuff will be in your business plan. One of the most important things, or 3 of the most important things that will be in the business plan will be market analysis. You have to do market analysis, identify people or businesses doing the same thing that you are doing, to know your competition. Very important. So you need to do market analysis. Then the second thing that will be also in business plan is financial projection. Very important. You have to have a financial projection. You have to understand the cost, how much it will cost you to start the business, the potential of the business. And what I mean by potential of the business is the income. What are you going to get from the business? Are you going to make money in the first year, second year, third year, or fourth year? How much you're going to be spending for your product, purchasing the product? So all of these things, just to mention few, will be in your business plan. Very important. The last thing I want to talk about is funding. To be able to start a business, you have to find money. And there are so many ways to find money. This can be a different topic that I can create and post in my YouTube channel. But let me just give you brief information. You could get money from family members. You could also get money from the bank, venture capital. There are so many ways you can get money, and you can also start a business with your savings. It depends on the business that you're trying to start and how much it's going to cost you to start the business. So this is very important. So these 5 simple and quick steps to start a new business are very important. You need to do these things step by step from number 1 to number 5 to be able to start a successful business. Thank you for watching, and I look forward in helping you out. By the way, you can also write me if you have any question for me to help, give you additional information. Don't hesitate, but log into my channel and subscribe. You can find additional information such as the books that I've written and other items. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day.